Hi friends, today I'll be explaining what is equivalent fraction. So, what is equivalent fraction? So, in equivalent fraction, if you multiply or divide both numerator and denominator by the same number, the new fraction will still represent the same amount of the original whole fraction. So the new fraction is known as equivalent fraction. For example, 2 divided by 3 is equal to, for example, if we multiply 4 by the fraction, so 2 times 4 divided by 3 times 4, which is 8 divided by 12. So if we simplify this number, this fraction, it will be 2 over 3. So this is known as equivalent fraction. Second example is 25 divided by 35. If we divide this by 5, because these are both multiples of 5, so 25 divided by 5 divided by 35 divided by 5, which will be 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 35. So 5 over 7 is equal, or is the original fraction of 25 over 35. So we will use either 5 over 7 or 25 over 35, and this is known as equivalent fraction. So for example, if we have three types of fraction, which is 5 over 6, then 20 over 25, and 15 over 18. So 5 over 6 is already simplified, so we'll leave it as it is. Then we will simplify 20 divided by 25, which will be divided by 5 and divided by 5, which will be 5 4 to 20 and 5 25. And for 15 over 18 is 15 divided by 18, so divided by 3, because 15 and 18 are both multiples of 3, so divided by 3. So we'll write 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. So 5 over 6 is same as this one, or more simplified. We will, the question states that simplify these three fractions, and from these three, which two of them are equivalent. So if we simplify 15 over 18, it is 5 over 6. So 5 over 6 is equal to 5 over 6. So we will mark, we will write 5 over 6 is equal to 15 over 18. So we'll write 5 over 6 and 15 over 18 are both equivalent. Equivalent. So another example for equivalent fraction is if we have to multiply the fraction by the same number. For example, here I will write 5 over 9, and we have to find three equivalent fraction for 5 over 9. So first equivalent fraction is by multiplying this whole fraction by 2. So take this, which will be 5 2s are 10 divided by 9 2s are 18. So first equivalent fraction is 10 over 18. Then second equivalent fraction will be 5 divided by 9 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3, both denominator and numerator, or opposite, numerator and denominator. So 5 3s are 15 divided by 9 3s are 27. Then next is by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 4. So 5 times 4 and 9 times 4, which will be 20 divided by 9 fours are 36. So three equivalent fractions for 5 divided by 9 will be 10 over 18, 15 over 7, 27, and 20 over 36. So this will be 3 equivalent fractions for 5 over 9.